Good morning children. In previous video we have discussed about respiration in humans. Today we will discuss about respiration in animals beta. First we will see that through the skin, means animals in which respiration or exchange of gases, or you can say that breathing takes place through the skin beta. In animals such as leeches and earthworm beta, जो कहाँ पे रहते हैं? Inside the soil. They breathe or they exchange their gases through the beta surface of skin, okay, and their skin is slimy, little bit moist. Slimy means beta moist. Moisture आपने पढ़ा है बेटा, that is only. So इनका जो skin होता है little bit moist होती है, and through the skin only they respire or they exchange their gases. Understood beta? So animals like leeches and grasshoppers which are living inside the soil, their skin are little bit moist, and through the skin they exchange their gases beta, like oxygen they will intake and release carbon dioxide. Next, through the air holes beta, insects such as grasshoppers and cockroach beta, इनके पूरे बॉडी में क्या होता है बेटा? स्मॉल पोर्स आर प्रेजेंट, दैट इज नोन एज स्पार्कल्स. ओके, स्मॉल टाइनी pores are present for exchange of gases. So exchange of gases जो इनके में होता है through the pores, through the tiny pores, that are known as sparkles. And network of sparkles, there are a lot of sparkles are present, and these sparkles will form a network, and that network beta connected to the air tube. That network is connected with the air tube which is known as trachea. That air tube is known as trachea, and through the trachea beta oxygen will transported to all over the body, and again after the respiration carbon dioxide will be taken by from the body to the trachea and then will be removed out through the tiny pores, that is sparkles. Understood beta? I am repeating again. Animals or insect in which respiration takes place through the air holes or pores या holes एक ही होता है बेटा. Okay, so insects like grasshoppers and cockroach, they respire or they exchange their gases through the tiny pores which is known as sparkles beta, and there are a lot of sparkles are present which form a network. That network is connected to the air tube, and air tube will transport, that is the trachea, transport the oxygen to all over the body, and then exchange of gases will take place through the sparkles which is collected by the trachea. Then trachea will give the carbon dioxide to the sparkles, that is the tiny pores, and through the tiny pores that carbon dioxide will be escape out or released from the body. Okay beta? Next is respiration through the gills beta. As we know that animals, aquatic animals like fish live in water beta, so they have to intake oxygen which is dissolved in water. We are taking oxygen which is present in the atmosphere, but fish cannot take atmospheric oxygen, so oxygen is dissolved in water. That dissolved oxygen is taken by fish, but we are taking atmospheric oxygen through the lungs, but dissolved oxygen cannot be taken through the lungs beta. Then how can respire and how they can breathe? Okay beta? So they have special structure that is known as gills beta. Okay, either side means both side of mouth they have gills beta, and when they intake water through the mouth, so oxygen is dissolved in that water, so water will enter in the mouth enter in the mouth. Okay, and then it will be released through the gills. वाटर को मुंह के थ्रू से लेंगे बेटा और गिल्स के थ्रू रिलीज कर देंगे, बट ड्यूरिंग दिस प्रोसेस गिल्स हेल्प्स टू कैप्चर द डिसॉल्व्ड ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट इन द वाटर. ओके, सो इनको ऑक्सीजन कैसे मिलता है बेटा? दे हैव स्पेशल स्ट्रक्चर दैट इज नोन एज गिल्स. They cannot take atmospheric oxygen, so they will intake the oxygen present in the water which is dissolved beta. So they will intake the water through the mouth and release through the gills. during this interval of time they will absorb or capture the oxygen present in the water, and after the completing the process of respiration they will release the carbon dioxide as we also released beta in the atmosphere. So similarly they will release the carbon dioxide in the water through the gills as well. Okay, so gills is a special structure present in the both side of mouth of in the fish beta, and it helps to the capture or exchange of gases, you can say that. Understood beta? Aquatic animals like fish have special structure that is known as gills. So they respire or they exchange their gases through the gills. They intake the water through the mouth and release that water through the gills, and during this time they absorb the oxygen which is present in the water through the gills beta, and after completing the respiration process they release the carbon dioxide through the gills in the water. Now we will see that respiration through lungs. Generally you know that beta in human beings respiration takes place through the lungs, but animals or amphibians means those who can live in aquatic as well as on land or terrestrial. So जिसका habitat aquatic and terrestrial both होता है बेटा, so they can respire in water as well as on land. So when they live in water they intake oxygen through the skin, but when they present on the land they respire through the lungs beta. Understood? So frogs, newts and salamander, these animals are amphibians, means they can survive or they can live in water as well as on land. So when they live in water they intake oxygen or respire through the skin, but when they present on land they respire through the lungs beta. Understood? So these are the respiration process in animals as well. In next video we will discuss about respiration in plants. Thank you beta.